To recover your Phantom Wallet mobile app, follow these steps. First, ensure you have the recovery phrase or seed phrase that you created when you first set up your Phantom Wallet. This phrase is crucial for restoring your wallet and accessing your funds. If you have the recovery phrase, start by downloading and installing the Phantom Wallet mobile app from the official App Store. Once installed, open the app and select the option to restore a wallet. You will then be prompted to enter your recovery phrase, which is typically a series of 12 words. Enter the words in the correct order, ensuring there are no typos or spaces. After entering the phrase, create a new password for your wallet. This password will be used to secure your wallet and protect your funds. Next, set up a new PIN, which will be used to authenticate transactions and other sensitive actions within the app. Choose a PIN that is unique and not easily guessable. After setting up your PIN, you will be logged into your recovered Phantom Wallet. You can then view your account balance, transaction history, and other wallet details. It is essential to keep your recovery phrase and password safe and secure. Avoid storing them in an unsecured location or sharing them with anyone. By following these steps, you can successfully recover your Phantom Wallet mobile app and regain access to your cryptocurrency funds. Remember to always prioritize the security of your wallet and funds by using strong passwords and keeping your recovery phrase confidential. If you encounter any issues during the recovery process, you can contact Phantom Wallet support for assistance.